Given the graph of f of x equals negative 7/3 x plus 16/3, I have the graph below, sketch the graph of its inverse, f inverse of x. All right, so it looks like we have some points here. 1, 3, and 4, negative 4. If you happen to have points, this makes graphing the inverse very easy, especially for a straight line, because the inverse will have the exact x and y swap points. So that is 3, 1, and negative 4, 4. And then trying to make a straight line out of this, hey, that was pretty good. That is the graph of the inverse. Now, if you have to plot points to get points, in this case they had these dots on there, it was easy to count over, you can just pick some x values. Now, given the divide by 3, it might be nice to use values that have a 3 in it. But then we have the plus 16/3. Now they have 1, 3 and 4, negative 4. But regardless, let's just pick some values. 3, plug 3 in. We have negative 7, negative plus 16/3. So that's negative 21/3 plus 16/3. That is negative 5/3. 3 and negative 5/3. That's this point right there. And if I plug in 0, I get 16/3. A little bigger than 5. That's that point. So we can get other points that are not on that's given, and then we can swap those points and get negative 5/3, 3, and 16/3, 0 for the inverse. 16/3, 0 is that point, and negative 5/3 and 3 is that point. So that would also be fine if you need to actually plot 2 points so that you can then swap those points and graph the inverse, or if you're given 2 points, just swap those points and you get your inverse. If this is not a linear function, there might be 5 or 6 points on there. Take each of those 5 or 6 points, flip them around like this, and then graph the inverse. All right, I hope this helps.